Hello there, thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to our channel. Today we are making tilapia Kenyan style, so be on the lookout. Watch this video until the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get right into it. So you'll definitely need tilapia, which is a fresh water fish in Kenya. This has already been deep fried, so you can either buy it raw and deep fry it yourself, or buy the deep fried type. Then what you want to do next is to fry your onions, your capsicum, garlic and ginger together until they're translucent or fragrant, and then add in your tomatoes. Make sure you use enough tomatoes because this is what we depend on for the soup, or the thickness of the stew that you're going to make with this fish. So you'll cook this down until it's very thick and most of the tomato is able to be crushed, and then you'll add in your seasoning of choice, and then you add in your fried fish and cook this down for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, and then you can serve it with your ugali and your vegetables. This is what we have mostly in Kenya, and it's a very delicious meal. You should try it out, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share it with your family and friends. Most of them need them, and this will be of help. See you in the next video. Bye.